and welcome to a new video of Coin Reference. My name is Adrian and today we are going to introduce you Fearless Wallet. Fearless Wallet is a non-custodial and decentralized wallet designed for the Dotsama ecosystem, creating a multi-asset platform with the highest standards of security, created by Soramitsu. You can see all information on her website, fearlesswallet.io. But wait, what is Soramitsu? Soramitsu is a Japanese fintech company delivering blockchain-based DeFi products for business, global entities, and countries, like we see with National Bank of Cambodia or Bakong. In this video, we are going to introduce you version 2.1 that brings to Fearless Wallet a lot of new features. Welcome to Fearless Wallet. As you can see on the first page, we have all our multi-chain assets with total value of our assets and how much our assets increase or decrease. As you can see, it is a completely new style and with an amazing integration of the Sora ecosystem, with the section of our tokens and the NFTs, which will be available soon. In the upper part of the wallet, we can find the button to change our network. This will allow us to see only the network that we select, as in our example with the Sora network. As you can see, they are changed to the assets of the Sora network, and of course, they can be put back on all networks. We continue with the upper part. In the Fearless Wallet logo, we can add more accounts and change accounts. On the right side, we can scan a QR code to send or receive assets in a very simple way. And finally, we can search for any asset with the magnifying glass. Now we see that we can go within the assets. If we enter Dotsama, as you see, we find the function of sending to another wallet in a very easy way, receiving with a QR code, which allows a much faster transaction, and finally the purchase via ramp method. We simply press the buy button, enter ramp website, and change the fiat asset that we want with any token available in ramp. After choosing the payment method, the transfer arrives very quickly in our wallet. Now we are going to see a very important function within the Dotsama ecosystem, the Parachain cross loans. In this option, we will be able to contribute to all Polkadot and Kusama parachains by locking our tokens directly from the Fearless Wallet. As you can see, with all examples of Kusama parachains already completed, for example, Bayou Network, Sora, Shaidan, ICE, and more. Only block your Kusama tokens and contribute to the Parachain. Now, let's move on to a really cool Fearless Wallet tool, the staking. In Fearless Wallet, we can block our tokens and get a reward in a very easy and simple way. Note that the minimum amount of stake is 0.1 Kusama, and the minimum period of unlock them is 7 days. In order to block our tokens, we simply press the Start Staking button, select the method that we like them to receive our rewards, sync in the transaction, and it will be operational. Very easy and a really powerful staking that all of you can enjoy on Fearless Wallet. Finally, let's move into the settings section. In the settings section, we can change something about our wallet, some options, for example, the language or currency, and we can also change the PIN code if we lose our PIN code, but please don't lose your PIN code. It is really important to don't lose your PIN code. We hope that you love the Fearless Wallet new version and this little tutorial on it. Know that you can enter both the Telegram and follow Fearless Wallet on Twitter to keep up to date with the latest news about the ecosystem. If you want more content like this on our channel, support us with a little like and follow us on our Twitter account, which always helps and motivates us to keep going. Thank you for watching us and stay fearless.